right, we just got this Sea Reed little baby bike. This goes for 12 to 24 months, max 55 pounds. And here's what it looks like out of the box. These are all the parts. It says you have to assemble it, but this looks really easy to assemble. So I'm gonna go ahead and just snap it all together, and then I'll show you what it looks like at the end. Okay, you put this little piece on right here. Now put the seat part into the base here. I actually ended up taking that little piece off and just pushing this in here. I had to smash it down pretty hard to make sure that that little pin went through that little hole. Now I'm gonna go ahead and just put this on top right here. Okay, I got it in there like this. Now I'm gonna push these little pins in and then push that part to attach the back wheels. Lastly, I'm just gonna put the handlebars in. Or she's gonna do it actually. All right, and this is what the Sea Reed little bike looks like fully assembled. This thing is awesome. It's actually super lightweight, which is why I purchased it. It's all made from plastic, so there's no metal that can hurt a baby if they fall and hit it. And it's actually really easy to maneuver. I'm excited for my little toddler to try this out. Check out the links in the description below for where you can purchase one of these. I highly recommend this.